Hello students, I hope you all are well at your homes. Students, today we will study chapter 2 of Behive, the sound of music. Okay? This chapter has two parts. This one is part 1. Chapter has two parts about two musicians. Okay? The first one is Avile and Granny, and the second part is about Ustad Bismillah Khan. Okay? So we are going to start first part of the chapter, the sound of music. Okay, I have given the difficult words here also. And first we will go with the title. Okay, just tell me, how do you enjoy music? How do you enjoy music? Obviously, after hearing music, you enjoy it. Okay. But see the title. The title is saying Avilian Gladly listens to sound. So nothing is different here if it is said that Avilian Gladly listens to sound. But if you will read the complete title, Avilian Gladly listens to sound without hearing it. So a question rises in our mind that how it is possible that without hearing, how can we listen anything? So let's see what is given in the chapter. Here we can see it is written that what is interesting in this chapter, that how can you listen to sound when you can't hear? If you are not hearing, how can you listen to sound? So let's discover. First we'll go the key points of the chapter, and after that I will tell you the summary. Percussionist. Percussionist means a person who plays drums or tabla. She can play about 1000 instruments. Means Avilian Gladly was able to play more than 1000 instruments. It is not possible, means I am very wondered that how was it possible a girl who was disabled was able to play 1000 instruments. Really, she was extraordinary girl, and all the instruments she was playing with perfection. Next one is she listens sound without hearing it. Means as I told you that without hearing she could listen the sound. How? She was not hearing. She was unable to hear, but she could feel. She could sense the sound. In this way, she was able to recognize the sound. Okay? Fought against a physical disability. She was suffering from a physical disability. As I told you that she was deaf. Then also means she didn't give up. She fought with the disability because she was very dedicated girl. She was very focused girl, and she didn't want to give up. She wanted to live a normal life. So she decided that I will fight with the disability and will live a normal life. It was decided by her. Okay. Next is source of inspiration. Definitely the girl was and she is inspiration for us, because a girl who was deaf at the age of 11 and means she was disabled, she could not hear. Then also she never gave up, she fought with the disability, and on international platform she made a recognition for her. So definitely she is an inspiration, she is an example for us. Okay. Next is profounding deaf. As I told you that she was extremely deaf. Okay. So the story gives inspiration to those who are physically disabled. So this story is really a message for the person, those who are disabled and those who think that now the life has finished or life has stopped. No, you can make your future if you are determined, if you are focused. and guidance are key to success. If you are hard worker, if you are dedicated towards your goal, if you have a good guidance, then nobody can stop you to get success. Guidance is also very much required. Evelyn Granny has one person named Ron Forbes who guided her, and because of his guidance she achieved a lot. So thank you students. This was about the chapter, about the first part of the chapter, the sound of music. Thank you.